Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market after the Bitcoin halving event, we're seeing a little bit of a positive trend, and I know a lot of you guys are looking for the next token to make the most money you possibly can in this bull market. And you know what's the best way to make money in the crypto market is getting into any token when it's inside of the pre-sale. If you get in then obviously you're going to be well ahead of all the public that will get access to it a lot later. And today I want to show you guys a token which I personally feel like should be in your bucket list or should be in your watch list for sure. And the one I'm talking about is Dogeverse. This is the world's first chain traveling Doge. What I mean like that is, first of all, look at that tokenomics. Buy now before the price rises. In 23 hours there's going to be an increase in price. Right now one Dogeverse is equal to about 0.2 cents, but when the price rise happens it's going to be a little bit more expensive. Why is this so unique? Well, let me first of all tell you, once the pre-sale comes to an end, this token will be released on multiple chains, not only one. So this is not just your random pre-sale, this is actually backed by a very strong team. It's going to be going live on Ethereum, Binance, and also Polygon, Avalanche, and everything else. They're also going to be on Solana very soon. Cosmos, the chain hopping Doge, spawned by collapsing supernova. Cosmos, the Doge, was born with the unique ability to hyper jump between the stars of crypto universe. His time has come, and this Dogeverse is multi-chain, launching on 6 stellar chains. It was featured in Cointelegraph, Tokenomics, CoinDesk, Bitcoin, and also crypto news. Now the best part about this is just how big their roadmap is and how many ideas they have in terms of what they want to do with this. So the first phase, the big bang, website goes live, contract gets written, and social channels are born. And you can see their social channel is doing pretty well, as on Twitter they have about 6,000 followers and pretty good following, as well as each tweet gets about 10 to 20,000 views, and this main one you can has over 80,000 views. And just to understand, after that they're gonna audit their contract. The pre-sale has already begun, and then getting the application for CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, and you can see that continuing the marketing is gonna be the big deal. This is their tokenomics right now. The pre-sale includes 15%, the staking will include 10%, the project fund is 25%, marketing is 25%, and exchange is 5%. Now this is a really good tokenomics, and at the same time, if you guys do want to pay attention to how well everything is doing, well, you can just go to their staking system and you can see they are paying 126% PA, which is per annum, and monthly that would be divided by 12, and that should give you perspective. That's a good return by just simply getting your pre-sale and then just staking it here as soon as possible. Now how do you buy? Well, the simple is just connect your wallet. Then once it's connected, you just need to select what chain you want, select how much money you want to put into it, buy it, and then you guys will be able to, you know, claim on chain. Bridge or trade will be tradable on all major chains and dexes. So you guys can see this is going to be doing pretty big things. Now, frequently asked questions: when do I receive the tokens? Once you have completed your pre-sale purchase, you will be able to use the same wallet to use the money straight away, or use the token straight away. Now, what is the staking? Well, staking is going to give you a good return, and at the same time, can you contact support? And the answer is yes. Simply just email them, and they are very active. So right now this token is still very early stage, and I personally feel like soon as this will be listed, there will be a lot of whales that will be buying onto this as soon as possible. Now if we look at their white paper, it is pretty clean. It's been written very well actually, and I really like the font, so it's easier to read. But most of the information, such as the roadmap and everything like that, you can actually find it on their website, so they are very clear. At the same time, if we look at their Telegram, it should give you a little bit of perspective, as the Telegram has a decent following as well. There is a lot of people which are paying attention to this token, and you want to get into the pre-sale because they've already raised $8.6 million, which is extremely good for a project that's just starting off and has a good team behind it. Other than that, if you guys want to check it out, the link will be in the description, and then you guys can make the most out of it. And other than that, do your own research. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you have have a great day. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you soon.